Say what's up to my YouTube channel.
Calzito.
Motherfucker just pulling out. Where do we meet these people exactly?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go in front of you.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I already know how an Indy is too.
He's gonna bust this shit. You better speed up. He's gonna bust it. Go, 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 go. Quick. He's fucking been reckless lately, dude.
I don't know. You don't care. YOLO nowadays.
He's on that. I don't give a fuck. Dude, he bet.
I'm not going.
Neither am I, dude. This motherfucker. Where is Andy? Oh no, I don't. Never mind. I thought I saw him for a second. I don't.
I'm gonna go this way.
I'm not, because this is gonna take my picture. Whatever. I'll catch up to you. Oh, I see Andy. He's up there in the middle. You just love blowing red lights, don't ya? This fucking piece of shit. Fuck you, dude. Blowing red lights the whole way here. Come on. You're better than that. This is Lonzo's first time riding, bro. He can't be blowing red lights. You there? Yo, you there?
Yeah.
Watch out for this car. Watch out for this car.
Sun is up, that's mine. Burn the blood, set my mind set focused on love. And I got enough on this side. Not sure what time I got left, so move that BS to the right. I ain't here to talk about the shit I got. I'm walking around with empty pockets, flexing still. Keep the peace up in the abundance. Hate if you want, nigga. I know who kept it real. My go-to since before school. Old homies, never old news. Since the old days, kicked it, no shoes in the sandbox. Ballin' in the hood like Sandlot. Now these young dudes got their hands popped. Percocet steady percolating. Pay attention, it ain't worth it, baby. To be high and faded at the graduation. You exchanging drugs for congratulations and a good time. Grew up fast, now you gone, cause you sniffed the wrong line. Now your mama life is full of long nights. Say they cared about you, but it's all light. Shit, it's alright. It was dark, now it's all light. Rock bottom, now it's all skies. Keep the energy positive, learning like scholarships. Talk to me nice, so don't talk twice. I water my garden, my shit been charted, gone against the grain. Now it's alright, like, whoa, slow down, baby, you're moving too fast. Now take a good look around and take your foot off the gas. And won't you take it slow? Yeah, just take it slow, baby.
Gunzito's really sweaty right now. Squad deep. As soon as he finishes his sandwich, we'll dip on out of here. He's about to fucking let that car go and come get us. That's cool. They're both at the same time. Think how many red light tickets we would have gotten if we had our plates on.
Check right here. Oh, it's turning red. We're good. I'm flying by it. Mason, get me, get me.
Go ahead, go, 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 go. Left Andy in the dust. I wanted to go fast, but I knew there was fucking like me to stop over here. I was like, oh shit! And then cut through the middle. Car pulling out, watch out. You saw that sail? That car pulling out.
Hey, I'll see you.
You going straight?
Yeah.
I go straight too.
Alright.
Andy will probably go straight too.
Mason, I did a wheelie.
Did you really?
Yeah, when I left, dude, I fucking gunned that bitch.
Oh shit. I tried just to do one, but I couldn't. Should I go? Almost kidding.
Oh, hell. Since we're with that trap. Alright, I'm going now. I'm dipping, Mason.
Alright, dog. Catch you on the flip side, baby.
Alright.
And then there was only me.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can still hear you. Alright. And then there was only me. Come on, big boy. Oh, we got a little ass crack hanging out.